Hello everyone, this is Inderpreet. I hope you all are fine at your places. In my previous video, we talked about noun and the various types of noun. And in the previous video, we talked about proper noun. The proper noun is the specific noun. Let us recapitulate first, then we will talk about common noun. Because there is some commonality, some similarity between these two. Not exactly the similarity, but we have to talk about what is the difference between the two. Because some people, some students get confused between the two. Let me explain. Proper noun. As we talked about proper noun is the specific noun, which means particular noun, which means when we call a name. जब हम किसी चीज का, किसी इंसान का, किसी प्लेस का नाम बोले, then it becomes proper. Now, on the other hand, let us talk about common noun. As the name indicates, in my previous video, I told you about how to take out the meaning of a word. We have to bifurcate the word. Now here common, what do you mean by common? Common मतलब आम, जो आम होता है. तो common noun, and noun we already know. What does noun mean? That too we already know. So common noun in totality, what does common noun mean? Common means which is general. General means which is आम, जो कि आम है, जो हम आम तौर पे यूज करते हैं. For example, if I ask or if I say you to if I ask you to call a boy from class 9th, just listen to me very carefully. Call a boy from the class 9th. A boy from the class 9th. Here we are talking about the similarities and the differences of common noun and proper noun. If I say there are no commonality, or we can say there is no similarity between the two because they are far different from each other. As proper noun is specific and common noun is general. When I say call a boy from class 9th, here boy, do you know which boy I am talking about? किस लड़के के बारे में बात कर रही हूं? But you know it कि मैं कौन सी क्लास के बारे में बात कर रही हूं. Which means here we are talking about proper noun, and here we are talking about common noun. Which means when I say call Akash from class 9th, then it becomes wholly solely a proper noun. But when I say call a boy from any class, then a boy, any class becomes common noun. So here in this video, what we get to know, that what is the difference between common noun and the proper noun. Proper noun is specific noun, particular noun, and common noun is the general noun. For example, let us take examples now. From the definitions, from the explanation, from the justification, let us talk about the examples, various examples. Boy. I do not know which boy I am talking about or you are talking about. Watch. There are number of watches. हमारे पास बहुत सारी watches है. As this watch, मैंने ये watch पहनी हुई. इस टाइप की पता नहीं कितनी watches होंगी इस वर्ल्ड में. ये है फॉसिल की watch. We have a fast track की watch. We have Timex की watch. When I say which watch, जब मैं पर्टिकुलरली एक वॉच का नाम लूंगी कि दिस वॉच, फॉसिल वॉच, तो दैट बिकम्स प्रॉपर नाउन. बट नाउ बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट वॉच, तो दैट इज कॉमन नाउन. Likewise, mobile. There are number of mobiles in the market. we have Samsung, we have Asus, we have many others. Then pen, we have number of pens, you use number of pens, you have Reynolds pen, you have Writometer. But when I say pen, give me a pen, did I mention which pen? No. Then country, I live in a country. ओ भाई किस कंट्री में रहते हो? When I say country, then it is common. But when I say India, which I am proud to be, that is proper noun. Then city, which city? क्या सिटी में रहते हो? कौन सी सिटी में रहते हो भाई? आप रहते हो जम्मू सिटी में, आप रहते हो दिल्ली में, आप रहते हो मुंबई में. तो when you specifically say the names, then it becomes proper noun. And when you say commonly, what is it? What is that? You have watch, you have he's a boy, he has a pen, I live in a country, I live in a city. That becomes common noun. I hope you like this video, so kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.